tool. First things is always direction and tool.
And tool. In this case, whatever.
In this case,
no, whatever. The tool.
You have to choose the tool because over there you have the cutting disc. So there is disco 400, for example, the end. But at this point, we need, I think, penso che la fresa scasso. So if you see that the tools, the description, we will then add the tool so that we can understand better. Most probably the tool is number 4.
Fresa scasso 50. Okay. Most probably, or are we sure?
So the tool parameters. So if you click on it, then you can go on tool parameters.
If I click on it?
So you clicked on it. No. So click on there again. If you go tool parameters.
Tool parameters.
You see, it's like a candle on the road. That one there.
Here.
You see, that is the tool. It's like the router.
Yes.
So that means that that tool is good to do this work that we need to do.
But the thing is, if we have it.
We have it. No,
okay.
But now we will check which one we have, so that we will add a new tool, because we can add a new tool to the system, and we can tell it what we need to do. If you go on Tool Store again, if you select this code, the one at the bottom, number 13, and you go on Tool Parameters, you see that it's a disk.
Sure.
So,
but that's my question. We are going to do the real example now or not?
Yes. So we have to go Fresa Scasso. Fresa Scasso.
You already have it. You already know it. Fresa Scasso 50.
Yes.
Okay. And okay. Sure. Over here, I don't need to change anything, right?
There is the cutting depth.
This diameter is the tool?
This is the no. I hear
no, because you start from 0 and go down. If you want to make an excavation and then go down.
So here nothing.
Cutting depth.
Execute.
Excavation.
Here you say there was a big number. Take a step. Why? Can you tell me again why a big number? What is this?
Small number.
And I wait. Okay, sure. Okay.
Excavation on.
Excavation work on. Sure. Here I need to select this. No.
This is for point.
Okay, so let's see.
Referencing converging drawing.
Sure. Here. Cool. First, the deep increase, we say 5 according to the client. Number of sections, the bigger the best, or the more precise. You put 120 last time.
Put 300.
300, 400.
You say between. Usually it's between 80 and 120, no?
80 if you want maybe that if a sharp plate is small and the tool is big, for example.
Okay, but also it depends of the size of the work and the size of the tool. Sure.
La parte cutting step, che è la prossima. Allora, quello puoi ricordare un attimino cos'è?
Datemi una penna e un foglio.
No. Un secondo, quello è un foglio loro, non so cos'è.
What do you need?
Se voi dovete fare un piatto che ha.
Can you do it in English, please?
If you have to do a partial plate that have this, and this section, okay?
Yeah.
What happens from here? That first time the tool here work in one step from here with all the diameter.
Okay.
So the machine, if material is hard, need more power.
Okay.
Okay. Only for the first step, what happened? That we can calculate step here, and tool starts from here and go here.
Okay.
Then this, then this.
Okay.
Always in the same position. And then in one step only, because with the second one you have to less material to remove.
Perché va anche... Ok.
Qua sono le basi, mi raccomando. Qua sono le basi, bisogna che
Sì,
sapete
però...
bene queste cose qua.
Allora,
se no fate danni.
No, infatti è per quello che devo stare attento, perché questa parte io, cioè, se ti dico che l'ho fatta, non l'ho fatta mai.
So here we have the number of steps, no?
Exactly.
And is always the machine automatically calculate the, for example, if the deep is 5, it's all proportional, no? The 3
No.
steps.
If you put 2, he make 2, 2 and 1. If you put 3, make 3 and 2.
Okay. So this is the number, the absolute number of the first cutting and all the steps. So if I put 1, it's going to have 5 steps. Sure. So here in this case, the harder is the material, the lower the number.
The softer the material is, we can increase the number. So at that point, everything is soft. So we can either go on 3 steps. We can go with 3 steps most probably, because the material is soft.
Sure.
When it is granite, when it is quartzite, they're 1.
But I think it's better to put, if it's a piece, if it's a cutting of 5, it's better to put 2.5 instead of 3, because it's going to be 2.5 instead of 3 and 2.
You can do it.
No,
yes.
it's
Si può lavorare in decimale là. Yes, you can do it. So you can go proportionate.
It's better, no? If it's to cut, it's better both at the same.
Regular step contour. Optimized step contour.
A converging bottom was already done. Okay.
This one, you mean?
No. Converging bottom on.
Without
this,
bottom.
we don't make nothing.
Okay.
Okay.
Execute.
Execute. 400 is a lot.
No. 1. You put 1. You say to the software to remove the material on the surface first with 1 step, 1 millimeter step.
No, I put 2.5.
Remember what you do. What you write here.
Ah.
What happened? That you stay 10 hours to make this job that you don't need.
Yes.
Don't need 1 millimeter step for what?
What is doing at this point?
It is eating just the surface, just scratching the surface.
Okay. Okay. Yes. So this value is just to scratch the surface.
Is the step if you put 20, put 20. Is the step here if you need to make the surface flat. And then start the shower plate, the converging.
Okay.
TM Joe وورا من الفايل فولدر
So
هو اعمل
it's better.
1000. Sure.
In this case, we don't need.
You don't need what? No, in this case. So what if there is no way to...
For example, the section that you want is not like this, but is like this. Okay, so we have to remove the material here before to create the shower plate.
Good.
In this case, we need a step here.
Sure.
So you can press here and calculate the 60% of the tool. So when the tool work for make the excavation, work with the 60%. So the step here, in this case that is 50, is 30. So when we make this movement, for example, the tool work always a little bit where worked before.
Sure.
Or remove everything.
Sure. This, we are talking about this 60%.
Right.
And we can change it? It's automatically. Okay.
It's a suggested value, but you can put what you want.
I have another question now because of this. So, if you have this, you would need to make this hole, no, before start this cutting. How do I do that? Can that be done only in one instruction?
Here, you put here the cutting depth.
Okay.
That corresponding of this. And the step that you want, the corresponding on penetration step.
Penetration step. Why two values? Starting depth.
One
step.
is this one. Total. Penetration, cutting depth. Penetration step is a step. You cannot work 30 millimeter in one step. It's not possible. Never.
Sure. So
put here 10 millimeter. Here you put 2 millimeter, for example. Okay. In this case, it's correct to put 30 here.
Because has to be done.
But in this case, it should be better to use concentric movement for the excavation. One step, 2 millimeter, second step, third step, fourth step, 5 step, and then sharp plate. And in this case also, it's better to enter in the material with a helicoidal movement, not directly in vertical. For activate this advanced penetration here, you select this one. Here you put the helicoidal step, for example, put 2 millimeter also here. And here again 30 millimeter is the diameter of the helicoidal movement. So in this case, let me show you.
You can show it in 3D, right?
Great excavation. Mattias, ascolta, scusami che sennò parliamo. Advanced penetration.
Yes.
Then excavation, 2 millimeter. When finish the first floor, go again here and go again for advanced penetration.
Quello sarebbe meglio per materiali duri, forse?
Per tutti. Fatto. Un momento. Fammi vedere una cosa. No, okay. This is okay. For example, we can save this one like shower plate with the vertical profile. I don't know. To use just for remember you the example.
Yes.
Qua diversamente col...
It's only for me, so I'm going to put it.
Wait. We make a folder. Example.
I will change it later. Shower.
But we have many different of shower, so it's better to write something that you remember what is it.
Ruben.
No, shower plate
Shower
with the cutting, I don't know, with a vertical step, vertical excavation. Or vertical profile. No. Okay.
I won't remember anyway. What is this? I have to open it and say, this was this.
Yes, exactly. Because in case press Ctrl D. For example, we open Ruben one moment. We save also this one here, and here we put the shower plate simple. I don't know.
Yes. With those names, I will remember them. Simple.
Okay. For example, when you load the draw with the worker already saved, For example, you remember you want to remember what happened. You have to write here. You have to select this one. If you have many work, in this case we have just one worker, so you can go directly with this button.
Okay.
And with this button, the software show you what you selected. This is the drawing.
Okay.
And this is the converging.
Cool. Where again can you?
And so you can see
here,
what.
No.
Yeah.
Cool.
So.
Yes.
It's good recorder, but you have all the information also from the project. Okay.
Cool.
Okay. If you save this one, put another name.
What are we saving now? Why is
the
different?
Toolpath.
Okay. Shower again. Shower simple. This is the.
Now without space, 8 characters only. Toolpath only 8 characters.
Yes. So let's put
In
the
G-code,
Ruben.
Without space.
in G-code,
G-code. Yeah.
okay.
Ruben B.
Okay. Oh. Aspetta perché adesso qua questa macchina wait a moment.
These kind of things worry me because.
After I explain, if you want, in this case we can remove also the table. Okay, you see that now there is the
The licoidal.
licoidal, and the end also the inclination. Okay. With this button you can see in the 2D plane, this is the new function of the software. Also here is a 3D in the 2D simulation. Okay, for back. Okay. Now I show you a trick also for to see the material for creating the surface, the 3D. You can put just a point here and activate here the cross section. Put here value 5. In this case, appear this button that create your surface.
In 3D, you mean?
Then I can remove this. Video doesn't show you, but if you go in video rendering, this is your shout today.
Okay. Why is showing the cut?
Because it realized that there is nothing there.
You draw a hole. The software make a hole.
È meglio fare il buco prima o sempre dopo il lavoro?
È lo stesso.
But
this is just for show you what happens.
Yes, can we do another example, because I put 5 and the deeper point of the cutting is 5, but what if I put 10, for example? It still is going to make a hole?
Yeah.
Yes, because we drew the hole.
The software create a work from here to here, so here don't make nothing. For this reason, make a hole.
Okay.
Okay. This is just a trick for to see the simulation, but we don't need. We need in case we want to project something after. For example, channel.
Sì. Ok. Il channel dici per
drain water.
Drain water. Okay.
O sea, está diciendo que es primero mejor con lo del waterjet, tener el waterjet, y si...
No.
No.
Al contrario.
Doesn't make a difference.
No tiene
Pero
nada que
no,
ver con
pero la pieza no se vuelve frágil si...
You can do everything here, ma il foro puoi farlo qua,
Con l'utensile sempre, no?
Sì.
Okay.
After that, you can add with the same tool or with another tool. Maybe better. In this machine, you don't have the tool change automatically.
No,
so
no. So it's not worth it. Here it would be better if we get the inclination done, and then we can put it on the water jet, and the water jet does the hole. Or else we can work vice versa. We can do the hole, and then get the work done.
What if we have, for example, another with the same tool, but another task? For example, after finishing this, I need to make a small hole with the same tool here. Is that possible? Another operation, a new operation?
you create here another drawing rectangle here. Plus is working add.
Okay.
Select this one. So to show you all
The same. Okay, so we do the same.
But in this case, I think you don't need the bottom converging here. And depending what you have to what you want to do.
Sure.
You have a camera with better resolution?
Camera with better resolution.
Here depends on the speed of the simulation.
Okay.
Because in the video only window white.